How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1968 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed 138 VIN true 4-speed car. Super nice car. Got show quality paint and body on it. It's a midnight blue metallic. They did the 4-inch cowl hood on it. All the grill, headlight bezels, all the trim, all looks like new. Front bumper's been replaced. The car was done, I believe, 5 years ago. You can see how flat, slick down the sides it is. Very solid car. All the panel fitment's really nice. All the taillight bezels, the tail panel moldings, all look like they've been replaced. The rear bumper's been re-chromed. I mean, you look down the side of this car, it is straight, flat. All the trim on the side, the wheel well moldings, all that's been redone. All new. A nice set of 17 and 18-inch magnums on it. The original motor was replaced with a 454, just over 450 horse. Super nice car here. Factory AC, power disc brakes, power steering. Got a nice air gap intake with a brawler 4-barrel carb, K&M breather. It's got a A833 Hemi 4-speed in it. 12-bolt posi rear. It's got Hotchkiss upper control arms, box lowers. So all the jams, everything are real nice. Interior, redid a lot of the interior, new door panels and seat covers. It's got the factory dash. It does have the factory gauge package with the roller tach, but the tach didn't work with the MSD ignition, so they put a more readable tach. And all the seat covers been redone. Super nice car. 3-spoke wood wheel, factory wheel. Got all the factory front and rear seat belts. Tell you, that wheel just looks tough on this car. That's an 18 by 8.5 in the rear. All inside the trunk's real nice. Car's all the original panels with the exception of the trunk floor they replaced. Comes with the car cover. See how flat this car is. It is slick. It's got a factory AM FM stereo in it. They disconnected it and put a AM FM CD in the glove box. It's got the factory center console, Hirsch Competition Plus shifter. Tell you what, that Hemi Trans they're indestructible. Got all real nice tinted glass in the car. Fires right up. So we got a bulb out there on the left. We'll check that out. So it's got 3-inch exhaust. Flowmasters all the way off the back. nice throaty motor. Thing pounds the ground. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.